Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and read through your spelling test for you. So make sure you put your name here. For number 1, you're going to choose the correct spelling for bilingual. Number 2, choose the correct spelling for university. Number 3, choose the correct spelling for triplicate. Number 4, choose the correct spelling for semi-annual. Number 5, choose the correct spelling for universal. Number 6, choose the correct spelling for tricycle. Number 7, choose the correct spelling for reunion. Number 8, choose the correct spelling for bifocals. Number 9, choose the correct spelling for triangle. And finally, number 10, choose the correct spelling for biceps. When you're finished, click submit. And if you've finished all of your assignments for spelling this week, make sure you turn in your workbook.